All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, the 6-in-1 miners we've been doing, the crop farmers, all kinds of good stuff with cryptocurrency. Well, today we're going to be talking in general that cryptocurrency is bouncing back a little bit. Things are bouncing back a little bit. I want to go to the charts and show you that. Also, I want to show you that I claimed my BNB crop farmers and I claimed my FTM crop farmers for the first time. Sorry I didn't get to do it on film, but you'll see that it's the first time I've claimed it. And I give you some strategies to help with inflation and things that are going on here in the world. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day own it, understand it, and maybe even have some cryptocurrency projects. All right, everybody, let's go over to CoinMarketCap and look at some green, and actually this can make everybody feel a little bit better today. All right, I'm going to start off with this, the green. Bitcoin is up 4% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum's up 3%, 3.6. BNB is up 4.33. XRP is up to almost 5%. Look at Cardano, was down 19% for the week. It bounced back 14% in the last 24 hours. Almost erased all the losses that it's made in the last 7 days. Listen, everybody, I know the last few days have been absolutely crushing. Blood in the streets. Everything has been crazy. Inflation is getting everybody. But this is some good news. Solana's up 12%. Now, Solana was down 25% in 7 days. In 1 day, in 24 hours, it recovered half. I mean, that's fantastic. Dogecoin, not so much. But Dogecoin is still 3%. Now, 9 cents on the Dogecoin. Usually this coin hovers around 13, 14 cents. Ding, ding, ding. This could be the time. Remember, I talk about 12 to 15% down. It's down 26%. This could be a time that if you like the Dogecoin, if you think this coin is awesome, last May, we're in May right now, went over to 60-some cents. Dogecoin is bouncing back. Polkadot is bouncing back. Avalanche is crazy. I mean, it was at $80, it was at $70, and it was $60. Now it's at $35. Now notice on CoinMarketCap, there's some things that have buy next to it. Bitcoin, buy. Ethereum, buy. BNB, this is what the site is suggesting. This is not what Frank is suggesting. All my information, of course, is for educational purposes only. I'm documenting my journey of DeFi. But Solana, again, has bounced back half. Polkadot, down 14% for the week, up 3% for the day. So there are some positives here. Now, you do know that what goes down comes back up, and you can kind of see this on the chart. Why am I bringing this? I wanted to bring some positive to everybody. That let's be patient here. I know the economy's bad. I know that milk is up right now. Rent is up right now. Gasoline is up right now. Food is up right now. Literally everything you can do is up right now. You know, with the Terra Luna and the stable coins that are not pegged to $1 right now, there's a lot of uncertainty. So what you have to do is take a deep breath and relax, because it's going to be okay. I know some people have lost a lot of money in crypto. I know people aren't happy with the gas prices. I know people aren't happy with the inflation. But what we have to do is we have to kind of analyze, what can we do to make this different? You know, and the crypto thing, you know, maybe let's research a little bit more. Maybe right now is the time to actually position yourself on your favorite 2 or 3 coins. There could be your coins that you've always wanted to get. There could be the cost averages that you need to do. If you had Dogecoin at 14 cents and it's at 9 cents right now, if you threw whatever you're interested in throwing, $100, $1,000, whatever you buy, it would cost average your actual cost of the token. So with that, with everything being red, this is a good video because everything is bouncing back in the last 24 hours. Over the weekend, things are bouncing back. That's fantastic. Now, we can't say that with gasoline. We can't say that with our electric prices. We can't say that with the rent. We can't say that with the housing crisis. I heard 2 or 3 people telling me today about the car crisis, that they're not making as many cars right now, and literally on the leases and stuff, they're actually going to be charging more money on leases. So all these things, what are you to do? Well, again, you got to take a deep breath, relax. It's going to be okay. and we have to analyze. You know, in the cryptocurrency space, you have to figure out where your good buys are. Maybe slow down. Again, a lot of people, I was talking about this the other day, when the coins are up crazy, everybody wants to throw their coins in. When the coins are down, they all want to sell it. You're supposed to do the opposite. When the coins are down, you're supposed to basically reposition. When the coins are up, you should already be in it. Okay, so again, all this stuff is going on right now. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. If you think I do a good job, hit the thanks. All that stuff is very much appreciated here at Frank's Crypto Corner. Now, I'm going to jump over to a couple projects that I've been doing. Now, you know I love the USDC crop farmers, and I love the BUSD crop farmers because they're stable coins. Almost like a sin to say that right now, stable coins, because a lot of people have lost their ass on the stable coins right this second. But both of those stable coins basically hasn't, you know, they're still pegged to $1. But the BNB and the FTM crop farmers, I just want to switch over and show you this. All right, so here we are at BNB crop farmers. Now, if we take a look at this, in the contract balance, there's 3172 in the balance right now. Let's see what BNB is probably around 304. Let's check that out real quick. BNB is 307. Okay, so it's a little bit higher than I anticipated. That's actually fantastic, everybody. 307, let's take the 3172 in the contract balance, times it by 307. And right now, there's almost $1 million in this contract, which is fantastic. Now, I wanted to show you this. Now, again, there's a 6% daily, 2% compound, 7% referral, 12% compound timer, the whole 9 yards. Now, being transparent here, I put 2.75 BNB into this project. I just claimed the other day, and I got 1.42 back out, about half my money. Now, being transparent, when I put the money in, the coin was around $380, so the coin is lower. So when this says 2.75, less BNB bounces back, I'm not going to actually be broken even yet. So you kind of have to be honest with yourself. That's where the BUSD and the USDC crop farmers are fantastic. They're pegged to $1. I don't have to worry about the coin going down. But I did want to show you that I got about half of my BNB back so far. Right here, in 2 hours from now, I'm going to basically be able to hire my next crop farmers here. I've compounded one time because I just claimed, 12 hours ago, so I already got one claim under my belt. I have to compound this 10 times. Key thing, again, showing you this, again, with a lot of things being down, you're kind of looking for projects that can help you. I like all the crop farmers, I do, but BUSD and USDC, I'll link those in the bottom in case if you want to check those out, because those are stable coins. Now, let's switch over to FTM. So FTM right now, it's got 410,000 tokens in the contract. What is FTM? Was it like 35 cents? Let's check it out here real quick. Phantom's actually 38 cents right this second. It's also up 3%. Clicking over there real quick. 38 cents. Okay, let's check this out. There's 410, 134 in the contract times 38 cents. There's literally, so we got about 155,000 in FTM right this second. I just did my first claim the other day. I deposited 700 FTM, and I've already got back 124 FTM. Now, again, I love the crop farmers, but the ones that are my favorites, right here, the BUSD, there's $1.2 million locked up in this project. Again, I only put $250 into this. I've already received $352 back. The thing I like about this is I don't have to worry about the coin dropping 30 to 70%. I love all the crop farmers, but the ones I like the best are BUSD and USDC crop farmers. Again, there's 336,000 in this contract. And I got about 2 hours before I hire my next hiring bonus. But take a look at this. I put 500 into this. I've already received $267 back. I've already got 50% of my money. I don't have to worry about the coin dropping in USDC and BUSD. Both of these are pegged to $1. I know it's kind of hard to say that with the stable coins that are going down, but both of these stable coins are still pegged to $1. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. I wanted to share this with you. The coins are bouncing back right now. This is a positive video. Things are green right this second. It's not red, red, red. Okay, it was red for 7 days, but everything is bouncing back slightly. That's great news. Wanted to bring you a little bit into this video, things you can do with stable coins or the crop farmers itself. They've all been pretty solid so far. My thing with these projects, I don't know if they're going to last 6 months. I don't know if they're going to last a year or 2 years. Just like nobody knew what was going to happen with Luna. Nobody knew what was going to happen with stable coins not being pegged to $1. So it's just one of these kind of things. If I put the 250 in BUSD, my goal is to get my 250 back and then some. Well, I've already received $100 back. I wish it was more when I got started, but again, I'm testing the waters. So these are some places you can check out and throw your cryptocurrency right now. All my information, again, is for educational purposes only. Let's head back over to CoinMarketCap to talk about some green. And here we go. We might as well pick up an Avalanche. Shiba Inu's up 3%. Tron is up about 0.16%. Look at this. Polygon's trying to come back. It's down 26% for the week, but it's came back 6% today. It's doing okay. Crow's bounced back 6%. Litecoin is bouncing back. Seeing the green on the chart is so much nicer than seeing everything red. It's depressing when you see the 7-day being red and the 24-hour being red. When you see it like this, the whole column on the right is red. The whole column on the left is green. That's positive. We have some positive things going on. I know a lot of people don't even want to look at the charts right this second because, again, it's been red for so much. But, again, right now the coin is green, which is fantastic. Things are going back up. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. Don't forget to hit the like button. Again, with this time of everything with inflation going on, we're going to start digging into inflation. We're going to start digging into all these different things that are going on in the world. One of the things, I wanted to do a cryptocurrency channel because I wanted to learn myself about cryptocurrency and help my viewers. As the world is going bonkers with inflation and people not being able to get formula for their babies and all these different things, we are going to start covering some different subject matters to bring to the channel. Cryptocurrency was a way for me to help people actually kind of maybe get educated and actually do well with cryptocurrency. There's some crises going on that we're going to actually start talking about. All right, click over here and I'm going to link BUSD crop farmers. Click over here and I'll list my other favorite one, USDC crop farmers. Thanks for tuning in today on a Monday, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.